Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into something a little special, Mugler Angel Eau de Parfum. This is a women's fragrance described as ambery and woody, featuring keynotes like Bergamot, Praline, and Patchouli. It comes in a 50ml bottle and promises a long-lasting scent experience. So, let's unpack what this perfume really brings to the table, beyond just the marketing buzz. First off, Mugler Angel is known for being a bold, signature scent that combines sweet and spicy elements. The bergamot adds a bright, citrusy opening that feels fresh and invigorating, while the praline introduces a creamy, gourmand sweetness. Think caramelized sugar, but without being overly saccharine. The patchouli grounds the fragrance with its earthy, woody depth, giving it that sophisticated, lasting finish that fans rave about. When I first tried Angel, I noticed it's quite potent but not overpowering. The projection is moderate, meaning it stays noticeable around you without being a nose-in-your-face kind of scent. For me, it blended nicely with my skin chemistry, warming up throughout the day to reveal those deeper woody notes. I tested it both during the day and on cooler evenings, and it held up impressively well, which is no small feat for a perfume with gourmand qualities. Applying it was straightforward. A couple of sprays on pulse points gave me about 6 to 8 hours of noticeable scent, and even after that, there was a subtle, pleasant dry down that lingered. It's definitely a fragrance for someone who enjoys a rich, warm aroma that's versatile enough for both casual and more formal settings. Now let's talk textures and packaging for a moment. The liquid itself is smooth, with no harsh alcohol sting upon application, which can sometimes be an issue with intense perfumes. The bottle design is elegant but practical, nothing too flashy, yet it fits well on any vanity without feeling bulky. That said, it's not the most travel-friendly design if you're someone who likes to carry perfume in your purse. Here's the balanced view. The strength lies in its complexity. Mugler Angel isn't a one-note floral or fruity scent. It's layered, evolving over hours, which keeps it interesting. On the downside, if you prefer lighter or more subtle perfumes, this might feel a bit intense. Also, some people might find the sweetness from Praline too pronounced, especially if you lean towards fresh or aquatic scents. When it comes to value for money, Mugler is positioned in the luxury fragrance category, so the price reflects that. Considering the quality of ingredients and the lasting power, I'd say it's justified for anyone looking for a statement scent that stands out from typical mass-market perfumes. However, if you want something similar, but at a lower price point, you could explore other ambery-woody fragrances with gourmand hints from brands like Narciso Rodriguez or Jo Malone, which offer more understated alternatives. Comparing Angel to others in the woody ambery realm, it definitely leans sweeter and richer. It's not your light, everyday scent, but it has a unique character that commands attention. Build quality-wise, the fragrance keeps its integrity over time. No fading into a generic musk after a few hours, which is a big plus. I haven't personally dealt with Mugler's customer service, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for quality and support, especially with their signature lines like Angel. If you've been hunting for a fragrance that combines warmth, sweetness, and depth with impressive longevity, Mugler Angel could be a great fit, particularly for fall and winter months when richer scents really shine. If your style is more minimalist or fresh, it might not hit the mark. By the way, if this review is helping you decide whether to try Angel, please do me a favor and hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this honest review too. Your support really keeps Beautyistic going. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments below. And if you've tried Mugler Angel, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Does it feel like your signature scent, or too bold for your taste? Drop a comment and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.